After receiving the product, first remove all accessories. After removing all accessories, first assemble the antenna body and its connecting cables. Remove the protective rubber cap from the connector. Detach the aviation connecting cable. Remove the protective cover. Connect the connector to the antenna body. Connect the other end of the cable to the dual splitter. Next, the two ends of the antenna are linked to the upper section of our equipment. Then assemble the antenna bracket.
Bear the sensor.
Bracket and back. On the back, sequentially add flat washers, spring washers, and nuts. Directly install at the location specified by you, threading it through here. Then tighten the nut to secure it. Connect the other end of the wire to the machine, and at this point the weather antenna installation is complete.